Everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how I make delicious fried rice with shrimps and prawns with chicken. So guys, if you would like to see how I achieve this delicious yummy looking rice, watch the video to the end. Go nowhere. But before that, please, if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead now and hit that subscribe button, turn on the notifications so that I don't get to miss any of my cooking episodes. And please, if you like the video you will see, don't forget to give the video a huge thumbs up, and guys, feel free to share this video. It will really help my channel. Thank you so much. So let's get right into the video. These are some of my cooking ingredients. So I'll go ahead and season this chicken. Bay leaf, thyme, curry powder, suya pepper, chicken seasoning, 2 seasoning chicken cubes, ginger paste, garlic paste. So I'll combine everything together. So I'm going to allow this meat to marinate for about 30 minutes, but the longer you marinate, the more tastier the meat will be, because the meat will have enough time to absorb the seasonings. After about 30 minutes, I'll transfer the meat to the pot and start cooking the meat. So I'll go ahead to season with this chicken cube. I'm also seasoning with chicken powder. I'll combine everything and set them aside for use later. This will help these vegetables to stay, because I want them crunchy. When I'm done, I still want them crunchy. So because most times, by the time you wait for these vegetables to absorb the seasoning, they may tend to cook longer on the fire. So I'm going to set them aside. Another bowl, I will also be seasoning the soft vegetables that I have, which are the green bell peppers and the red bell pepper. So I'll also go ahead to season them. In another pot, I'll be adding in about 3 spoons of vegetable oil. So I'll allow the oil to heat up for about 2 minutes. Inside this pot, I'll go ahead and add some thyme, bay leaf, some curry powder, turmeric powder. I'll give everything a stir and fry for about 2 minutes. So adding in some chicken powder, chicken seasoning powder. All these are to enhance the taste of the rice. So at this point, I'll go ahead now and toast the rice inside the oil. This rice have been pre-washed. Stir the rice continuously to avoid burning. At this point, the meat is all cooked and done. So I'll sieve out this chicken stock, which I'll be using in cooking this rice. I will go ahead now to add all the chicken stock which I have, and if the chicken stock won't be enough, I'll be adding extra water to cook the rice. So I'll go ahead and cover the pot and allow the rice to cook. So I'll be cooking this rice for about 20 minutes. I'm going to season this. I'm going to add a little quantity of soy sauce with some sesame oil just to bring out more flavor. This will be the most flavorful fried rice. So guys, checking back on the rice is all cooked. So I would like you guys to recreate this, try this recipe, and tell me in the comment section how yours turned out. And please, if you've not subscribed to my channel and you're watching this video up to now, please go ahead and subscribe and give my video a like and leave a comment in the comment section below. Comment delicious fried rice. Thank you so much, guys. So in this frying pan, I'll go ahead and add butter. So I just added some garlic. So at this point, I'm taking out the chicken franks. I'll also go ahead and fry this prawns and shrimp in the oil. I just added a little sesame oil and then light soy sauce. So in the same frying pan, I added some extra margarine. I'll be frying the chicken in this margarine. At this point, the chicken are all fried, so I'll go ahead and take them off from the heat. I had to wash the frying pan because it got burns while I was frying the chicken. So I'm adding back the remaining oil that I fried the chicken with. So I'm adding in some extra butter or margarine. So for me to start frying the vegetables. I will start making the fried rice base proper. So this is the garlic, ginger paste. So I'll fry this for a bit. I'm adding in all the chopped onions that I have here. So at this point, I'm adding the scotch bonnet pepper. I used the yellow scotch bonnet pepper. I'll go ahead now and add all the vegetables I have here. So remember, I've already seasoned these vegetables. So I'm adding back also the green bell pepper and red bell pepper. So I'm giving everything a mix. I'm also adding the fried chicken franks, sausage, and the prawns. So I'll combine everything together. And also I'll check for seasoning. If there is need for me to add more, I'll add more seasoning, and also check for salt before adding in the rice. So I'm also seasoning with some curry powder, thyme, so I'll be adding in the rice in batches, small batches, because I don't want the rice to be too big for the vegetables. So as I combine, I'll add more rice. So at this point, I'll go ahead now and add the spring onions. Wow guys, this rice is so delicious. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe now and turn on the notification so that you don't get to miss you get updated, you get notified anytime I post a new video like this, guys. Please give my video a huge thumbs up, like this video, and comment delicious fried rice. Thank you so much for watching today's video.